I'm in Minnesota on this nice day. Downtown Minneapolis. You don't have to worry about me. Just hanging out in downtown Minneapolis. Don't question what I say. Just believe what I say. Don't tell me that no, I'm in Chicago. Don't tell me no, that's the giant silver bean, also known as Cloud Gate, or that these are famous buildings of Chicago behind me. If you've heard this sort of thing before, it's because you're unfortunately a victim of gaslighting. Unfortunately, more and more, whether it's issues of ego, issues of narcissism, issues, delusions of grandeur, whatever it is. Many of our clients are coming across and encountering these issues where their significant other, the other parent to their children, or even just somebody they were dating and then got married, and a couple years in, starting to realize that these issues of gaslighting are huge, and that they've been duped, that they were love bombed, they basically fell for this circumstance, and now they're waking up, they're connecting with friends and family who are helping set them straight, and starting to recognize, no, you're not in Minnesota. You are absolutely in Chicago, and I'm not going to tolerate this anymore. But we've encountered these sort of things time and time again, and I actually have some real tools as it relates to accountability, documentation, being able to pull certain things off of email and social media to document a pattern of lying that can be really quite valuable in later on when we need to prove that indeed somebody was in Chicago and that their income is a certain amount, not what they would gaslight you to believe, and that their background is indeed much worse than they said it was, and all sorts of other things that are directly relevant to whatever issues are. In divorces, it's asset division, debt division, spousal maintenance. When there's children involved, there's custody, parenting time, support, the other expenses. This is what we've done. So to the extent that you need information on this, we'll be glad to provide you with some valuable online resources. My name's Matt. As a divorce attorney for almost 20 years, if you found this content is valuable, you want to hear more along these lines, comment below, follow. Thanks.